Do you know there was once a war between humans and birds? In 1932, farmers in Australia faced a strange problem. Thousands of large birds called emus were destroying their crops. The government sent soldiers with machine guns to stop them. But the emus were fast and hard to hit. They scattered, ran in groups, and avoided bullets. Even after thousands of rounds were fired, very few emus were stopped. In the end, the soldiers failed and the emus won. This bizarre event became known as the Great Emu War, one of the strangest wars in history. If you liked the video, please like, share, comment, follow, and visit LostLegacyFiles. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell so that all my upcoming videos can reach you.